Well, good afternoon, even though it's supposed to be morning. This isn't working out well. Came to swap trucks. That is where the windshield wiper motor assembly goes. That's part of the linkage for it. That's some excessively loose, worn linkage. Here's a new wiper motor that was installed. Right in that hole is a pivot. Got to figure out how to get it to pivot because it's so seized up with that nice long wiper arm sticking out on it. For a lever, you still can't move it. So I've got to unbolt it and figure out what's going wrong. I was told to put some penetrating oil on it. Well, when it's mounted up there, I guess you can get a little squirt right here, but how much good does that do? And how long does it last when you get caught in a rainstorm? It's got, as you see, 4 mounting bolts that go through there. 2 long ones with bushings on them like that there. One at the top that goes, each side goes directly in here, and then those. One of them holds up your horn. Fairly simple. And this already disconnected that by popping it loose with a screwdriver. It's a similar fitting to that one over there. Be careful not to crack them. Take them off easy, squeeze them back on easy with a plier. And but this still rotates like it's supposed to. That over there wobbles around. Let's see. Yeah, it moves when I move the lever over here. I've just got to get this working again. More fun. Thanks for watching. It's Roy, CWR News and Clues. The clue is here. Fix it before you send somebody to pick it up, please.